Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to create sky replacement. For example, I will open this image and then if you want to set the sky in the background from this image, first we need to select. You can use this tool, so I will use polygon lasso tools. I will select from this point into here. So we select for the sky area and select by tracking the image with this tool. Like this, and then after it you can unlock the layer and then press delete button, click select and deselect. Now we can insert for sky image. You can go to file, click place embed, then I will use this image, click place, move to the top like this, and then you can move the layer below the image, so it will be automatically replace the sky into this image. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to sky replacement. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.